Hello everyone, and welcome to Pristine Products Label Protector Demo. One of our most popular products are our label protectors. They provide a great protective coating for those who want to print their own floor label. The label protectors come in 4" by 6", 6" by 6", 6" by 10" and 10" by 13" options. The label protectors are 9/1000ths of an inch thick and conceal and protect your label in its place, extending the label's life when exposed to industrial traffic and floor scrubbing. For the sake of this demonstration, we used 4" by 6", 6" by 10", and 10" by 13" protectors. Our label protectors are extremely easy to install. First, ensure the application surface is clean, dry, and above 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, apply your label to the desired location. Third, place your label in position and begin removing the liner. Fold the paper backing back and adhere the protector to the floor. Begin removing the rest of the liner while sweeping your hands back and forth to ensure no air bubbles are trapped between the protector and the floor. For best results, we recommend using a label that was printed with an actual ink printer that uses a thermal ribbon or an actual inkjet printer which has ink cartridges. Labels printed with these printers do not fade as quickly as labels printed with technology used in shipping labels or cash registers. And just like that, you've installed your label protector. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video or found it helpful. If you would like to see more videos by Pristine Products, follow the link below to our YouTube page. Or if you have any questions or concerns for Pristine Products, you can reach us at pippard.com. That's PIPRD.com.